VS Code, hint, tip, and trick of the week. And this one is one called Repositories, and Mohit Singh is the one who's created this. And it gives you the ability to switch between repositories with ease.
A couple features that it has: it will auto detect repositories. I'm assuming from your Git folder. You can view as a tree or a list. You can switch between repositories, and it respects your gitignore. And so, which are all good things. And is that basically you're in VS Code, and so you can actually just go between different repositories? Now, that's not different branches. That's different repositories.
Yeah. So what I think it is, and again, I haven't actually installed this one. Eric recommended this one to us for today, and it's pretty new. It's only got a few installs so far. But if you can give it a folder, like maybe you say you got your www folder on a certain drive is where all your sites are. I wonder if it'll just scan all those. So I'm going to have to try it out and see, but Eric recommended it. And it'd be cool if you can just pick a repository and it just jumps to that. So you don't have to worry about which folder to open or whatnot. Just choose a repository. And if it keeps track of them, you can open them right there and tree your list full. So I know VS Code automatically ticks your repos inside of a project. So I have Git lanes installed in a couple of Git ones. And so if I'm in a project, it'll show all my different repositories nested inside of it, so I can go to each piece, which is pretty cool. But yeah, this one sounds like it might do a little bit more. Nice. Anything on the Q&A? Not yet. So that is our VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week. So I'll get that link in the chat for you there. That was our VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week. Brought to you by Modernize or Die Podcast, CFML News Edition, proudly sponsored by Order Solutions. You can see the new episodes every week on cfmlnews.modernizeordie.io or on the Order Solutions YouTube channel.